Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel Deconstrut, and today I have another DIY tutorial for you guys, and it is to create this top that I'm wearing right here. You might have seen this already in a previous video. I'll leave a link up here. It is my how to take self-portraits video. Something different. If you want to check it out, just click up here. So the original top is actually by a brand called Trois the Label. This is called the Ruby top on their website, and I believe it retails for $80. $80 is a lot of money for not a lot of fabric. So today we're going to learn how to make it ourselves, and if you want to learn how to make your own, then please keep on watching. To make the top, you'll want to start by taking two separate measurements. The first measurement will be across the front of your chest at the widest part. You will then be taking this measurement later to double it up to create the ruffle-like texture. The second measurement that you'll need is the height of the top. Measure vertically over your bust, keeping in mind the amount of coverage you would like. Mine was about 8 inches. Taking these two measurements, you'll cut out a rectangular piece that is twice your across chest measurement and twice that of your vertical measurement. So next you'll want to create a super long strap. To do this, I measured and cut out multiple 1 1/4 inch strips of fabric. Because of the length of the strap being super long, you'll have to attach multiple strips of fabric together in order to achieve the length. I made mine about the length of 3 times my under bust measurement. You can definitely make this longer or shorter, it's just really up to you. And to combine the strap pieces together, you'll want to lay the ends across each other at a right angle and sew diagonally across. Pressing it flat, you should have one extended piece of fabric strip with diagonal seams. To form the strap, you'll want to fold the outer edges inwards and in half again to form a narrow strap. Sew down the length of the strap on both sides to make sure it lays flat. To create the main section of the top, you'll want to hem the two shortest edges first. Then you'll want to sew the longest sides together with the good sides facing, creating a tube-like shape. Flipping it right side out, you'll want to iron the seams flat. Next, you will mark the top where you would like the straps to thread through. I marked 1 1/4 inch down from the top and 2 inches from the bottom for the ruffled edges. To create the casing for the straps, I sewed 2 long lines of straight stitches down the length of the top, leaving room of about around 1/2 inch to thread the strap through later. To close off the sides, I finished off the short edges with a straight stitch. Careful to skip over the strap casing areas. You'll want to leave these sections open so you can thread the strap through. With a safety pin, you'll want to thread the super long strap through the top and bottom part of the top. The straps will pass through twice in the bottom section. Crisscrossing in opposite directions, which will form 2 arm loops on the sides. Cinch up your top to fit and form the ruffles as needed. There are so many different ways you can tie this top. You can leave it open in the back or crisscross it for a more secure fit. Either way, it will look super cute and you're ready to wear this out.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed DIY and sewing projects, this channel is for you, so go hit that subscribe button. If you want to give this video a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated. Definitely a really fun piece for summer. Pretty easy to do, doesn't take a lot of time because it is just a rectangular piece that you end up cinching together. It's very adjustable and customizable to your body type. Because I am part of the Itty Titty committee, I actually altered this to fit my bust size. So if you ever want to recreate this, I would just use relative measurements for your body to create something that is customized to fit you perfectly. And if you recreate any of my DIYs, please use the hashtag Deconstrut so I can find all your lovely recreations. And I'll see you guys next time in another DIY video. Okay, bye guys!
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright.